Hello guys, welcome to Semtech Hub, and in today's video I want to show you guys how to transfer money from your Binance account to your Minipay account. Okay, so we have two ways of doing this. We have the automated way and the manual way, and in today's video I'll be guiding you guys on how to do the both transfer. Okay, so I have my Binance app and I have my Mini app ready, and I'll be guiding you guys on how to transfer money from your Binance to your Minipay. Okay, so first we need to open our Binance to see if you have some money inside the account. Okay, so I will open my Binance account and we can see I have some $100 in my account. Okay, so what you have to do now is to go to my Minipay app. Okay, so I'll open the Minipay and you can see I have some few money inside the app. Okay, so the first method is to use the manual way. Okay, so let me guide you guys with the manual process of transferring money from your Binance to the Minipay. Okay, so first I will click on this deposit. I'll click on this because I want to deposit money to the Minipay app. So I'll click on the deposit, then I will click on wallet and exchange. So as I said, we have the manual way and the automated. Okay, so with the manual way, you just click on this manual deposit and this will appear. So you need to follow the steps to deposit from your crypto wallet, which is Binance, to the Minipay. Okay, so what you have to do is to select the Celo network and you choose the USDT, then you send the money or the coin to this address. Okay, so let's use the manual method first, then I'll show you guys the automated method. Okay, so you copy the address. So let me click on this copy to copy the address, and let's go to our Binance account. We should make sure we choose this Celo network. So I'll just open my Binance and I will click on this send. Okay, then I'll click on Onchain withdrawal. Then we select the USDT because in the Minipay we are using this supported token, which is the USDT. Okay, so I'll just choose the USDT. Then I will look for the network. Okay, because the network is the Celo. So I'll just go back and click on this and look for Celo. Okay, so we just found the Celo network. Okay, so I'll just click on the Celo, and what I have to do now is to go back to my Minipay app and copy this address. Okay, so I'll just copy this address and come to the app, then I'll paste in the address over here. So when I'm done pasting the address, I'll just enter the amount I want to deposit. Okay, so you can see minimum amount you can deposit is $10. You can see you haven't withdrawn fund from this address recently, so please try and withdraw a small amount first to verify the address if it's correct. So Binance is saying I should withdraw some small amount to verify the address. So let me enter the small amount, which is the $10. Okay, then I will pay a fee of 0.95, and I'll click on this withdraw. Then I'll click on confirm and do my passkey verification, and successfully withdraw the $10 to my Minipay. Okay, so this will take some few time to reflect the Minipay app. Okay, so what you have to do now is to click on view history, and you can see we just withdraw the money successfully to our account. So let me check. You can see I've received a notification right now from Minipay. Okay, so this is the notification from Minipay. It says we have received 9.95 USDT. Okay, so I'll just click on it, and as you can see I've successfully deposited the $9 to my Minipay. Okay, so you can see my Minipay has just received this 9.95 USDT to my Minipay app. Okay, so this is the manual way of sending money from your Binance account to your Minipay. Okay, so now let's do the automated way. Okay, so with the automated way, you just need to click on this deposit, then you click on wallet or exchange, then you click on continue. So this will appear and you select what you want to use to make your payment. Either you want to pay using USDT on Tron, or you want to pay with wallet, or you want to pay with an exchange. Okay, so I'll just click pay with exchange, then I'll select pay with Binance. Okay, so this is the automated way of making payments. So I'll click this pay with Binance, and minimum amount you can pay or send to your Minipay using this automated way is $15. So let me enter the minimum amount, which is the $15, and I will click on continue. So waiting for payment. Okay, so it says send exactly 15 USD via Binance and return to your page. Confirmation will appear soon after. Okay, so I'll click on this, pay with Binance. Okay, so this will appear and I'll click on this preview order. Yeah, I'll click on this preview order and I'll click on confirm. To confirm this transaction, I'll pay a fee of 0.2 USDC. Okay, so I'll click on this to confirm, and you can see this is processing. So we have received a request and processing it. Transfer typically posts on Onchain within 30 seconds, and I just made a verification to process this. Okay, so you can see withdrawal is in progress, which is pending right now, and let's wait for the money to reflect in our Minipay. Okay, and you can see we just got a notification right now from Minipay that we have received 15 USDT in our account. Okay, so we just used the automated way to send money to our Minipay. Okay, and this is very simple. Yeah, so the first one we did was the 9.95 and the second one is the 15. Okay, so if this video help you or guide you on how to send money from your Binance account to your Minipay app, then please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.